Good day, kids! Ngayon, hindi na kayo mahirapang magbasa pa ng mga big numbers dahil nakadesign ako ng isang paraan upang mas madali ninyong makuha ang teknik ng pagbabasa. Tara na! Gaya ng 3-digit numbers, gagamit pa rin tayo ng puso ni heart o yung 100 na ating tinatawag. Pwedeng 2 beses tayo gagamit ng 100. Gagamit din tayo ng special character called comma at ito ay tatawagin nating 1,000. The special character comma is used to separate the thousands from the hundreds. Now, let's try to read the first example. Starting from the left, 1,423. Let's try one more time. 1,423. What number is this? Kindly read. $1,029. What number is this? Kindly read. $3,456. What number is this? Kindly read. $6,754. What number is this? Kindly read. $6,471. What number is this? Kindly read. $3,428. What number is this? Kindly read. $23,456. What number is this? Kindly read. 13,429. What number is this? Kindly read. 57,420. What number is this? Kindly read. 52,417. What number is this? Kindly read. 83,105. What number is this? Kindly read. 91,602. What number is this? Kindly read. 103,456. What number is this? Kindly read. 103,405. What number is this? Kindly read. $113,405. What number is this? Kindly read. 113,445. What number is this? Kindly read. 153,045. What number is this? Kindly read. 173,048. What number is this? Kindly read. 276,048. What number is this? Kindly read. 276,008. What number is this? Kindly read. 670,108. What number is this? Kindly read. 675,128. What number is this? Kindly read. 975,168. What number is this? Kindly read. 975,160. What number is this? Kindly read. 275,160. What number is this? Kindly read. 275,163. What number is this? Kindly read. 275,313. What number is this? Kindly read. 255,313. What number is this? Kindly read. 150,313. What number is this? Kindly read. 170,354. What number is this? Kindly read. $178,352. What number is this? Kindly read. $251,736. What number is this? Kindly read. $951,706. What number is this? Kindly read. $859,706. What number is this? Kindly read. 123,456. What number is this? Kindly read. $725,452. What number is this? Kindly read. $751,423. Sa mga magulang na interesadong mag-join sa aming program, search lang po sa FB IVFC Tutorials, Inquiry and Registration. Ito ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.